No. Them disqualify me. Because them tried tie the tape around my belly and them run out of tape. So this game is, they've tied them together and them supposed to, until no ribbon no leaving between the two of them, right? Hold on, what going right here? Simone, I never start thief already.
Let's get this party started.
No.
Yeah.
You.
So we're ready. Come now, we're ready.
We'll go up front.
So now go wind up the ribbon
Hold on,
until no
when you
ribbon.
say uno, I go.
Uno decide who if it's
First
together.
thing, I am sophisticated. That is the first thing.
Well, wine quickly.
No, she go have to wine because it's go wrong.
DJ Blue, beg you some appropriate music.
Simone, don't touch it.
We're gonna go after 3. 1, 2, music. See it now. Them can't wine without music. DJ needs some music. See it ya? All right. And Dwayne is doing all the work, but Empress is just enjoying it. Never Latif, come and use him on. Never use him on. Not on the done, but them. Hey.
Wait. I just saw the game go. You're not supposed to come off your dance back.
So we have a winner. We have a winner.
Yes, we have a winner. Yes, thank you very much.
No.
It's not supposed to come off. It's supposed to hook up.
The people. No, we believe in the people. We live in a democratic country. Neverland Simone win a while ago. Empress and Dwayne win a while ago. I think so. But let me tell you something. I don't know where Empress get that wine there from. Where that wine there?
Empress here, sir.
That one then Christmas is a coming and the goose is getting.
You are a disgrace for a married woman. You are a disgrace. So,
how this come off?
Somebody have to keep it decent, don't?
Bad mind.
Oh, no, we don't have it. It's me win. A bad mind and a bad
Oh
mind.
gosh.
As a matter of fact, the whole one is a disgrace.
On behalf of the RGR Gleaner Group, I am pleased to present a prize.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
I want to thank God.
More than my mother.
I want to thank TVJ.
More than before, baby mother.
You are the worst son in life. You are no longer. Don't touch me. You're not my son anymore.
It's baby cereal.
Yeah,
Oh, it's baby cereal. Yeah,
so may I carry to him?
Forget that.
Because time's rough and I have to feed my baby at 9 o'clock.
A baby cereal in there?
It's baby cereal.
Yeah, me carry to him for you doing.
Me can't drink so.
Good man, good.
Right.
Thank you all.
Me have another gift for you.
She earned it. She earned the baby and the
Anybody
cereal.
catch this? Win it. It's your one. You can keep it. All right. Congratulations. Congratulations. On the clap her, she win it.
All right, we're going to break for the news.
You can wrap up your Christmas gift with that.
All right, we're going to break for the news, guys. Go on, all right, go on, Empress. Go on. Yeah. Give me back the winning wine. Yeah.